De Haar Castle is the largest and most luxurious castle in the Netherlands. In this video, we will delve into the history, design, and magnificent interiors of one of the most beautiful, yet often overlooked castles in Europe. Few Dutch castles can equal De Haar for its ideal image of a medieval fortress with towers and ramparts, moats, gates, and drawbridges. The current building was constructed upon the foundations of the original castle in 1892. Baron Etienne van Zuylen, who inherited the impressive ruins of De Haar, decided to rebuild it on a grand scale as a monument of his family history and a reminder of its glory days. The oldest historical record of a building at the location dates to the end of the 14th century. Originally, the castle was owned by a member of the Van der Haar family. In the 15th century, it was passed through marriage into the lineage of the Van Zuylen family, who have owned it to this day. The structure was probably destroyed and rebuilt several times through the centuries, until Baron van Zuylen inherited the ruins in 1890 from his grandfather. The Baron had always fantasized about rebuilding De Haar Castle. Luckily for him, his marriage to Baroness Hélène de Rothschild, a member of the extremely wealthy de Rothschild family, enabled him to make his fantasy come true. To achieve this, Baron Etienne decided to collaborate with the renowned architect Pierre Cuypers, who was famous for designing the Rijksmuseum and the Central Station in Amsterdam. Cuypers' Neo-Gothic architectural style, strongly reminiscent of the Middle Ages, fitted well with the Baron's desire to turn the castle into a family museum. Nevertheless, the Baron's way of life was anything but medieval. He was one of the first automobile and aircraft champions, as well as the president of the Club Automobile de France, the Dutch Automobile Club, and the Aero Club de France. He even organized a car rally between Paris and Antwerp in 1898. Pierre Cuypers worked on this project for 20 years. When it was finished, the edifice had 200 rooms and 30 bathrooms, and it was equipped with the most modern facilities, such as electrical lighting with its own generator and central heating. De Haar boasts a striking exterior, with towers, ramparts, a moat, and a drawbridge which rise majestically from a parkland setting. The interior was rebuilt in a luxurious style with richly ornamented wood carving, reminding one of a Roman Catholic church. The kitchen was very modern for its time and still features its copper pots and pans, the largest extant set in the Netherlands. A large park now surrounds the castle, but this wasn't always the case. To make space for the park, an entire village had to be torn down and rebuilt a kilometer away. Because the park had to be fully grown as soon as possible. 7,000 40-year-old trees were transported from all over the province to the site. Today, only part of the rooms are open to the public. The interior is richly decorated, displaying an extensive collection of valuable antiques from all over the world. These include superb porcelain from Japan and China, as well as several old Flemish tapestries and paintings with religious illustrations. The collection's centerpiece is an 18th century palanquin that belonged to the wife of a Japanese shogun. It is one of only two worldwide, the other being exhibited in Tokyo. The main hall is a unique space in the Netherlands, with an 18-meter-high wooden vault, half Gothic cathedral, half luxurious hotel lobby. It is one of the castle's main highlights, serving as a grand entrance for guests and special events and delighting visitors with intricate wood carvings, stained glass windows and impressive stone carvings. In the regal dining room, guests have been dining at the same table and in the same manner for over 100 years. Hospitality was highly valued here. This is the reason why this room is one of the richest and most festive in the entire building. Famous movie stars, artists and fashion icons like Coco Chanel, Brigitte Bardot and Maria Callas have dined at this table. The Knights' Hall would welcome guests after their arrival. In the evening, drinks were served here, particularly by gentlemen who enjoyed cigars and whiskey. Within this space, the architect incorporated every possible reference to medieval chivalry and mythical heroes. The ballroom displays some of the most remarkable art treasures collected by the Baron and Baroness during their many travels. Here, the decorations are primarily centered around themes of love and joy. Other highlights include the library as well as the elegant bedrooms located on the second floor. The beautiful park features numerous waterworks and a formal garden that evokes the gardens of Versailles. The entire park is about 55 acres in size. The maze, deer park, romantic covered bridge and picnic meadow by the pond offer attractive destinations. Ranking among the top visited Dutch museums, Castle de Haar is a breathtaking destination that seamlessly blends modern restoration with historic grandeur.